it's everything we have to do. Yes, we can want front bumpers, we can want lights. We have the number plate we can put on the wheels, and I think it's everything we have to do. Yeah. This is just clear packing tape I taped from the inside, so I don't get paint in the engine room. And one important thing when you mask off areas, it is not just because you don't want to have paint on the area. It's more for not getting dirt up from that area into your paint. The next one. Now we have 2 big holes here. And I still got the original rubber here. And I have ordered the new longer number plate here. And I will mount that in a number plate holder. A new number plate. Time for lights, and this will do a big difference to the look of the car. Put these on before. I need these caps, so we'll put them on first. And this is the first one. Let's see if we can make this fit. And if you remember, I have the Morettes from the beginning, but this is slightly different. Was it worth all the extra work? What do you think? Almost too short, these cables. And now I will adjust the bumper. I want it straight in the middle and I want it higher up. I had it a bit down just to get the lights in easier. And now we will adjust it so high that it touches the lights. Now the front bumper is on the car and it's fastened on all the points. I don't know if you remember how loose it was before, but now it's really sturdy. This will go nowhere. Perfect. It looks great. Hello! Now I prepare to glue this down. I have start with masking off the area here so the glue doesn't come out on the hood. I think I need to tape this thing too. And on the inside, if you look here, it's maybe too dark. Where do we have some lights? Here. On the inside, I have drilled holes in the flange here, and I'm putting these things in temporary here just to press this thing down. So I will put this in and then put wedges between, so we get a tight fit on the outside later. So I just finish it on this one, and we go over and do the same on the other one there. So, you can see the edge. Let me drill some holes in this. Let's see how this goes. We start with this one, and then we take the other one. We open the hood and try to get them in the right place. Or should I take one at a time? We will see. Change this one. Now we hope this has cured, so we take off all these things I put up here. It looks funny with all these things. And the last one, like that. Nice! Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment. That's always nice. Bye bye.